Good day everyone, I'm Herven S. Makasulot, a first year's agriculture student. So today, I will discuss our topic in organic chemistry, which is constitutional isomers. So in this presentation, ato ang matakil kung unsa ang constitutional isomers. Nganong nahitabo ni sila and also ang ilahang mga examples. And dili lang sa mga examples, pati ilahang mga properties. So, kung unsa ang ilahang importante, kung unsa sila ka-important sa agriculture o sa organic chemistry. So, what are constitutional isomers? Constitutional isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structure. So, it means pareho sila og number sa carbon o sa hydrogen atoms but lahi ang pagka-connect sa ilahang atoms. So, maoning mahimong lahi ilahang physical o chemical properties bisan pareho ang molecular formula. O understand it better, let's compare molecular formula and structural formula. So the molecular formula only tell us that the number of atoms present in a compound. For example, C4H10. So means there are 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. Meanwhile, the structural formula, it shows how those atoms are connected. Sa example na to, nga butane o isobutane pareho silang C4H10 pero lahi ang arrangement sa carbon atoms. Mao na sila nga ginatawag nga constitutional isomers. So why do constitutional isomer occur? This happens because carbon is very unique. Carbon can form 4 covalent bonds and can create straight chains or branch chains. So tungod ani, daghan og possible nga arrangement sa atoms. As the number of carbon atoms increases, mas budaghan pud ang possible nga constitutional isomers. Let's talk at first example. So butane has the molecular formula C4H10. So the first butane which has a straight chain structure. The second is isobutane, also called as 2-methylpropane, which has branch structures bisan pareho sila og molecular formula. Lahi ang ilahang pagka-structure. So mao na sila nga constitutional isomers. So next is pentane. Pentane has the molecular formula C5H12. Unlike butane and pentane has a 3 constitutional isomers. So pentane, isopentane, neopentane, makita nato nga sa pagkadugang sa carbon atoms mudaghan usab ang ilahang possible arrangement sa structure. Now, let's move to the hexane. Hexane has the molecular formula C6H14. It has 5 constitutional isomers. So namely hexane. So 2-methylpentane, 3-methylpentane, 2,2-dimethylbutane, and 2,3-dimethylbutane. So mas daghan ang ihang carbon atoms and also mas daghan pud ang ihang mahimo nga structural arrangement. When naming organic compounds, the first step is to identify the longest continuous carbon chain. So kini ang mahimong parent nato sa ato ang compound. And after that, ato nang in-number ang carbon chain gikan sa side nga pinakaduol sa branch aron makuha nato ang correct nga IUPAC name. So the IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So it provides the standard rules for naming organic compounds. So the basic steps are: find the longest chain, number it correctly, identify the branches, then combines the names. So kini siya nga system kay ginagamit nato ni siya sa tibuok natong kalibutan or tibuok kinabuhi para parehas ang pangalan sa compounds. Dili na gini siya mausab. Although constitutional isomers have the same molecular formula, they can have different properties. This includes boiling point, melting point, density, and reactivity. For example, branch isomers usually have lower boiling points compared to straight chains isomers. So mao nga importante ang structure kay maapektuhan gyud siya sa properties sa compound. Why is this topic is important? Constitutional isomers are useful in making medicines, fuels, pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. So as agriculture students, importante nga daghan tag agricultural chemicals nga atong ginagamit nga adunay organic compounds. Ang ilang structure ang makaapekto sa mga effectiveness and also sa ato ang safetyness. To summarize, constitutional isomers have the same molecular formula but different structure formulas. So different structures are results in different physical and chemical properties. So, ang carbon's ability to perform difference arrangements makes constitutional isomerisms possible. Understanding constitutional isomers help us in chemistry, agriculture, medicine, and many industrial applications. So that's all. Thank you for listening.